Good morning, student. This is the last article in this chapter, Auger effect. In the Auger effect is a phenomena in which the transition of an electrons in an atom filling in a inertial vacancy causes the emission of another electron. When an electron is removed from a core level of an atom, leaving a vacancy, an electron from a higher energy level may fall into the vacancy, resulting in a release of energy, although sometimes this energy is released in the form of an emitted photon. The energy can also be transferred to another electron which is ejected from the atom. This second ejected electron is called as Auger electron or Auger effect. This is the diagram. This is first cell electron. Electrons were bombarded, then electron ejected from this cell. Okay, this first and this is second diagram. This is the Auger effect. When k electron, this is k electron. When k electron is ejected from an atom, this is ejection of electron, k electron. The absorption of X-ray photon, the resulting vacancy in the K shell is filled by transition of an electron from an outer shell. For example, this is the diagram. For example, the L shell, which corresponds to a transition of an atom from the K level. This is K level and this is the L level. The result, this transition is usually accompanied by the emission of characteristics X-ray photon of energy. This is the X-ray photon. The formula is H nu prime is equal to Ek minus El. Okay. Ek means K shell and L means L shell. In some cases, however, the entire energy emitted in the transition is directly absorbed by another L electron, which is thereby ejected. This is the ejection in L electron. Since there are now two vacancies in the L shell, this one and this one, there are two vacancies. Two vacancies in the L shell, the resulting energy level of the atom will be different from the L level and may be called as L level. This is L because one vacancy and two vacancy. This is L and this is L. L level, its energy being EL because of two vacancies. The kinetic energy of ejected second electron will be 1/2 mv square is equal to Ek minus EL. Okay, K means K shell. Such a radiationless transition resulting in the ejection of two electrons, this one and this one. These two electrons from the same atom is known as Auger transition. These two electrons is known as Auger transition, and this phenomena is known as Auger effect. The Auger effect is competitive with X-ray emission in most atoms, but the resulting ejected electrons are usually absorbed in the target material. All electrons will be absorbed in target material from which the X-ray readily emerge. Okay, this is the Auger effect.